Whoa, whoa, they ain't never seen nothing like this before. Lit the room when I came through the front door. Ask me if I should some.
And good morning from Iceland. We are finally back on the road again after this COVID pandemic put travels and tourism to a halt. But Iceland is open for business and it's quite painless and straightforward getting in. You take your COVID test before immigration, and you get your results, whether you're positive or negative, texted to you in about 24 hours. So we're done with that, and now we are on the road. I'm with 4 other badass content creators, all wicked drone pilots. Check out their stuff, it's super dope. But we are now in the highlands of Iceland, about 3-4 hours away from Reykjavik, Iceland's capital, and this place is absolutely epic. We're gonna get the drones up, show you around a bit, hit the road and make the most of the lights while the weather's cooperating, because it changes fast here. But enjoy these views because they're gonna be good. Let's go. Now at our next spot. I hope you enjoyed that footage from our first spot in the morning. We're now here at our next spot, which is this lake you see behind me here. Don't know what it's called. Maybe I'll throw up a screenshot of where it's located on Google Maps. But this place is epic. If you haven't been to Iceland before, you definitely need to add the highlands of Iceland to your itinerary. Literally every view you have is a scene out of Lord of the Rings or Vikings. It's absolutely epic. But we're gonna get the drones up, show you around a bit, and then we're gonna hit the next spot and see what the highlands of Iceland got to offer us. Let's go. Did you fix it, bro?
Fixed it.
Hey, we got our local mechanic here, Will Shaney, aka Shaney. He's just fixed our fuse. This is our Land Cruiser Toyota, and Will's fixed our battery problem. The fuse.
Change the fuse.
Change the fuse. We now got battery life, so that we can charge our batteries to show you as much content as we possibly can. Thanks, Will. Iceland's Ring Road, a 1,322 kilometer stretch of some of the most scenic and breathtaking driving we have ever done. Iceland's most iconic spots are all accessible through this road, and our plan is to embark on an amazing road trip across this beautiful country and see as much of it as we can. Okay, we are at our next spot. Escaped for a little quick hike. We're hiking up a little bit to get a good vantage point, and we'll quickly show you where we're headed. Let's go. Okay, here we are now in the afternoon after a couple of hours break where we stopped at a cafe. We grouped with the lads over there, some real cool guys. I'll put their links down in the description. Be sure to check them out. They've got some really cool content. So now we're here, we're grouping, waiting for the sun to set a little bit. It's a bit high for shooting, so we're just waiting it out, chilling, planning a little bit. And it should be good, but the weather's cooperating, so the stuff we get tonight should be epic, and there's a few clouds up in the sky, so it should make for an epic sunset. So we'll catch you when we catch you and make our next stop, and show you some more epic stuff of the highlands of Iceland. Let's go. Our first stop with the boys, this beautiful lake. Okay, that was a good old hike, and it was well worth it because we got some epic shots up there. Now we're at our next stop. We're going for another hike up that, and it's overlooking some cool looking red colored crater. Now let's head on up and let's check out the view from there. Here we go. And so we enjoyed the views. We hiked a lot. We droned a lot. And we just took it all in. We have made it to the last stop of the day. We've left the highlands and we're now in the southern region of Iceland, and you can see by the landscape it's really different from where we were just at. It's all black ash, kind of feels like a soft sand on your feet, and we're here for that thing the background there. We're gonna get the drones up for you and show you why. Let's go. Hope you enjoyed this one, team. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe for more and stay tuned until the end for scenes from the next episode. We're doing a little bit of glacier hunting today. What a morning! Amazing sunrise.
One shot, now the future is yours. Go! Yeah, I was building on a lecture. Verses coming daily under pressure. Working on the plot and the scheme. The true style trademark is at the edge of your dreams. I'm talking one shot for the kill. The breeze come free.